One of the most common tasks performed using a batch script, which will be covered later on, is shutting down or logging off a machine, often so that changes made can take effect properly before the next stage of the script runs. An example of where this might be used is during a Microsoft Office deployment, as any install or uninstall of this software requires a reboot. Let's review the command needed to perform this action. Shut down. This command is capable of shutting down, restarting and logging off a machine. It has features such as time shutdown, which as it suggests, allows you to specify a time before the command takes effect. An example of where I've used this in the past is to allow time for antivirus software to install, as this can sometimes run in the background outside of the batch script, meaning that the script has no way to know the progress of its installation and would therefore need to wait a suitable amount of time instead for the install to complete. Let's cover the most common switch options available with the shutdown command. These are as follows. /s. This shuts down the machine. /r. This option restarts the machine. /f. This forces shutdown, restart or log off even if applications or files are currently in use. /m. This allows you to specify a remote machine to send an action to. For example, to shut down the machine remote 01 in 60 seconds time, you would use the command shutdown /m /remote 01 /s/t 60/f. /l. This logs off the machine. Note that this can only be used locally and is therefore not compatible with the /m option. /t. This allows you to set a time until action. For example, wait 60 seconds before logging off or 30 seconds before shutting down. /c. This allows you to send a message to the user and can be useful if sending an action to a remote machine. For example, you might use this command as follows. Shutdown /m /remote 01 /s/t 300 /c. Essential maintenance is being conducted at 5:30 p.m. Please save your work within the next 5 minutes in order to avoid losing data. Note that the 300 specified under /t is equal to 5 minutes. Note that this command is normally used in this way to shut down one or a few machines and is not really suitable for shutting down large numbers of computers at the same time. If you do need to shut down a large number of machines at once, you'd be better using an advanced solution such as Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager, more commonly known as SCCM. As SCCM is indeed as advanced as it sounds, it's beyond the scope of this course. Now that we've gone over shutting down, restarting and logging off machines using the command prompt, let's move on to creating batch files.